Alright guys, welcome to my channel, okay? I don't really make a lot of video, but today I think I'm officially back to Apple ecosystem. You know what? Right now I have an iPhone 10 and I got an iPad, Mac Pro, iMac, and I got this big boy. Today I'm gonna show you the unbox and my initial impression about these products. Alright guys, this is Harmless Car again. Yeah, when I got back home, it's like 12 p.m. I mean 11:30 p.m. Amazon surprised me. I mean, I got an iPad Pro 2020. It's a 12.9 inch. So as I say before, I barely use iPhone, but let's see, will this iPad satisfy me? So I opened the box. Now what we got? Ooh, I got the big boy. Wow. And see what we got here. Instructions and everything. And there's a cable and the charger. If you guys get the GAN, the charger, you don't really need to carry as many cables as you need, man. I'm waiting for iPhone to use USB-C charger, so you can charge the iPad Pro, the iPhone, and everything, the Samsung, so everybody unite together. It's big. It's really big. And it's good. Let's take it on. If you guys can see here, this is my first time for the iPad Pro since my 2014, the Apple Air, the first generation. Turn it on. Wow, it's not on. Let's try one more time. Okay. It's not on, so you guys see here the camera. The size is really huge. Ooh, hola. Say 12.9. I got a 15-inch iPad Pro. So, yep. Hola, swipe to open. Let's go to English in the States. Well, now I got it set it up. It feels just like the iPad Air, but it's huge compared to my first generation iPad Air. So basically the same old, but you can feel the screen is much better, and it's it has my favorite design like iPhone 5. And see, you swipe here, you can have all these, the quick access. But maybe one day they will have something like widget, like the Android, one day. And if you want more control, swipe from the up right corner. You see that? You can control everything. And also, they have tab. You can hide it. Let me see. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Let's go anywhere. Right. You can recall the dock. It's not tab. It's dock. If you are in the Safari or anything, you want to go back. You can just swipe up If you swipe it harder, you will go to the home page. But gently swipe, the dot will come out, and then you can choose whatever you want. It's just an unboxed unboxed video, so I don't really test everything, but from right now, I guess I like it. It looks cool. See the camera? Wow, it's not bad. I'm serious. It's just not bad. You almost get everything. Photo and video, yeah. And the video quality. The video quality, according at least right now, I think it's good. It's very bright. It's better than the phone I'm using right now. Look, I think if you are an experienced YouTuber or you know how to shoot the video, this iPad Pro can really be very handy, right? So some more photos. You still have portrait, right? You can have portrait. It's myself. You guys see me? Square, panorama. Yeah. Finally, you can use your iPad to get a decent photo. And other than that, it's just extremely fast and smooth. Like what you always should be, right? And I should download YouTube and everything. But guys, this is for today. Well, you guys see from the very short and maybe not that professional review, you can tell it's still the only best tablet you could ever buy. I know you're gonna say Surface Pro, Samsung, and everything, blah blah. Trust me, even Apple, they couldn't make the iPad, have a coordinary. They should make the iPad works with all the app for the iPhone. At least they should make iPad version for that, but they don't. Trust me, they just don't, because it's not an iPhone. They try to blend in the tablet and Mac, the laptop stuff, but it's good. It's good. I got a 2020, the iPad Pro 12.9 inches. I can tell you why I got it. I feel bored. I don't have stimulate check, but I feel bored. I have a whole lot of credit card. Secondly, I saw a lot of YouTubers, they do the reviews for that, and especially the Magic Keyboard. I'm not sure where I get a Magic Keyboard. I probably will, but I don't think it's a good investment. For this one, I can replace my iPad Air. Listen, if you like a tech, if you enjoy with the iPad, you should get the latest one. Make it a little bit loaded up. I got the most expensive one because, according to my personal experience, the first generation iPad Air I had since 2014 still works as perfectly, smoothly. I still use that. Why I got this? I feel the screen is not as big as I want because I need to use this as second screen. Sometimes I can do my work, and you just calculate the value of the iPad and everything stuff. If I can pay $1 per day to get this for seven years, definitely I'm gonna get this one. And in 7 years, this tablet gonna still work smoothly. I probably can gift this to my daughter when she turned 12, maybe to my upcoming soon. But anyway, I will try to do a detailed review later, but this is my impression. It's Apple, you know. You might don't like it, but it's good.